how are you guys doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I will do a different type of a video. This time I want to go a little bit deeper into trading side of things because the last video, the day in the life, was just a casual one, just to start things off. So today we are going to talk about one main thing I wish I knew when I started trading. So at this point, I think everyone knows that trading is not just a walk in the park. Back in the day when I started trading, something like in 2015, something like that, this whole industry was pretty new when it comes to Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. And I remember how easily people believe that you need just a couple of weeks of trading and you will be working from home, making I don't know, X amount of money easily. There's that one good quote what comes to trading. Trading is a hard way of making easy money. So I think that's really true. That's super true. So I like that this industry changed a bit, and there are more and more talks of hard work, that it's not easy, that you have to commit. And if you open YouTube and type trading, you will get a bunch of fake stuff, obviously, like in every industry, literally. But also these days there are a lot of people who are talking true, basically, or saying that it takes years to become a good trader. Some says that it takes 6 months, 8 months. I think that it fairly depends on how fast you learn. Obviously some of traders will fall into every single trap that there is, and those who can't learn from their mistakes, they will for them it will take a few years, in my opinion, to become successful. Those who are quick learners and know how to learn from mistakes, those type of traders will move way faster. So overall, it's just awesome that people getting smarter. Let's put it that way. I really like that there's finally this understanding that you need to treat trading like a business. That is not something that you're going to just pick up, spend a few hours there, here and there, and become really great at it. It's not the case. Trust me on that. I'm not talking here to demotivate you or do something like that. I just want to be transparent and talk facts. That is the fact. It will take some time, but you just have to become really good at learning. You have to be interested in growing as a person, in all areas, literally, because peak state is what helps traders to be on the top of their game. Going to the gym, reading, meditating, etc. If your life is in order, your P&L is going to be in order as well. And the same way as Jordan Peterson says, if there's a mess in your house, there's most likely a mess in your head. Trading is just a beautiful example of that. If there's mess in your life, if you're not taking care of your health, if you're not going to the gym, if you're not reading, meditating, all that stuff, if you're not looking into ways to become a better person, it will become a way harder task for you to become that good trader, because it's already complex. Becoming a profitable trader is already a complex journey, and if you are in a deep mess when it comes to other areas of your life, relationship, your 9 to 5, all that stuff, if your life is a huge mess, I can assure that it will be difficult. So take it seriously. Take your health seriously. Just try to evolve as a person. Try to become 1% better every single day, and which is super important. And that's a quote to live by, in my opinion. It will help you massively to reach that consistency. That is that. That's the intro, I would say. So let's now talk about that one thing. If trading is exciting, you're most likely gambling. So when I just started trading, I was basically hyped on this whole film industry, lots of videos on YouTube, people getting rich fast, all this stuff. Something I didn't realize at first, that after reading this book called The Way of the Turtle, that's when I finally understand that there's something there. They're right, they're completely right about this thing, that I'm basically treating trading as gambling almost. I used to jump on the charts with the wrong mindset. I'm not saying that I don't like trading. I love trading. It is my passion, and even though we are basically looking at candles for, I don't know, 8 hours a day, it's still super exciting for me, but in a different way, if it makes sense. So even though that book is, in my opinion, a bit crap, but there are a few good points in there. And this is one of them, that successful trading is a bit boring, and if it is exciting for you, if it is super exciting, most likely you're gambling, and that's not a place where you want to be as a trader. Successful traders 98% of the time, if not 99% of the time, are just sitting on the sidelines waiting, almost like a sniper, waits for that perfect opportunity to take the shot. That's successful trading. And there's simply a reason why all of the traders, pro traders in the industry, always preaches meditation, always preaches that you need to be patient, you need to become almost the most patient version of yourself, and that's exactly the case, because you need to be able to sit on your hands and literally wait for that perfect opportunity, and when it presents itself, you need to catch it and just literally drift off to the sunset and wait for the next opportunity. So a good example would be, let's take this deck of cards. So we have 20 cards here. So imagine that these cards represent opportunities in 1 week. So this is Monday, this is Friday. We have something like 16 red cards and 4 green cards. So as we go through the week, our goal is to pick those green cards and basically move to the sidelines. We start on Monday. Let's say there are no good setups on Monday. It's Tuesday. We pick that green card, we catch it, and we move to the sidelines and wait for that next beautiful opportunity to present itself. However, what majority of traders do, after taking one green card, after taking that winning trade, what they do, their ego gets attached to this whole thing. They suddenly think that they are on top of this game, and what happens, their standards gets lower when it comes to the setup. So yeah, what they do, they take one loss. After that, they don't want to be down for that week or that day. They take another loss, and it becomes a mess very quickly. Trust me on that. So now, how to avoid this whole situation and be able to literally, as a sniper, pick those green cards and move to the sidelines. Pick another green card, move to the sidelines. Obviously, along the way, you will pick some red cards. You will take some losses in the market, because that's just inevitable. That's trading. That's probabilities. You can't be right all the time. But yeah, you want to be really picky, and you really need to know very clearly how your setup looks like. You need to really clearly know how your bread and butter setups look like, and yeah, this combination of knowing how to be patient and really knowing how your setup looks like is the winning combination. This is the top one thing that traders need to understand, because it's a mess in their head. They don't know how their perfect setup looks like. They don't have the data behind the setup, so they don't trust that setup when it comes up, basically. Because a lot of times that green card shows up and they simply just can't execute. They can't pull the trigger because they don't know how the perfect setup looks like. They know the overall structure of that setup. So all of these cards, all of these 20 cards, they are the same for them. Literally, they don't see a clear difference. You need to backtest it, you need to gather data behind it. That's how you gain confidence in your trading plan and all of that. And when you do that, the next thing is you need to be able to pick that green card. When the perfect setup shows up, you take it and you just drift off to the sunset and just chill, wait for the next setup, and as a sniper, grab another trade. You will grab some losses along the way, as I mentioned, it's inevitable. And yeah, the week goes on. It's Thursday, let's say, we take another win. It's Friday, let's say there are no trades, and you finish the week with, for example, I don't know, 2 trades, 2 wins, 50% strike rate. Yeah, let's see, your risk to reward, your average risk to reward is 4-1. Here we go. But yeah, if you can sit on your hands, the same way, for example, you know how the story goes when people go to the casino. A lot of times they actually win when they come there. At the starting phases they win. It's the same thing with trading. If you can't manage that's why you need to really journal your trades, and you will notice this pattern. You will notice the pattern when you take a couple of winning trades and then your ego gets so high that your third, for example, setup looks like crap almost. Your fourth setup looks like crap. And then you go into the drawdown immediately after those two winning trades. You need to keep your standards high at all times. You need to manage this very strictly. And when you take a win, it's okay to just chill and relax. And for example, it's Wednesday, you took 3 winners in a row. You can take the week off. Literally, you can take the week off because everything moves in cycles. Market moves in cycles. And yeah, there's a winning streak, there's a losing streak. Your goal is to jump on the winning streak and avoid the losing streak. And how you do that? When you get on the winning streak, don't force it. Literally don't force it. Control your ego, be aware of yourself, know how to stop yourself when you are winning. And yeah, how you do that? This cycle all goes back to meditation. Everything that a lot of traders preach. That's basically the back structure of why they say that meditation is key. Why you need to read, why you need to, I don't know, journal your thoughts, why you need to keep your mind journal and all of that. So trust me, you will grow really fast when you understand this. And yeah, that what comes to this video. I hope you guys find it useful. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah, I would really appreciate you if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out to grow faster. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Take care.